Hello and welcome to the video on MAUI SDK, where we will show you how to set up simple example applications for Android and iOS. We'll begin by navigating the step-by-step setup process for the MAUI SDK. Then we will show you how to configure the two example applications. Throughout this video, we'll use example app files provided in the Bloomreach MAUI SDK repository on GitHub. Let's start with MAUI SDK setup. First, download and install the Net SDK installation file bundle from the official .NET Microsoft website. Then, run the command using your terminal to start the installation process. As a next step, navigate to the terminal and use the .NET version command to verify that your installation was successful. If it succeeds, you should see your version number printed out in the terminal. Now you have the MAUI SDK set up. Let's build the Android application. First, start by cloning the project from the Bloomreach MAUI SDK GitHub page and saving it in the desired location. Then open the Android Studio and navigate to the Bloomreach SDK MAUI Android folder inside of the downloaded directory. Inside the Android Studio, select Tool Windows in the navigation menu and open the terminal. Now use the terminal command to build the application and wait for the build to complete. Then, open the Visual Studio. Navigate to the MAUI SDK folder and choose the example app solution file. When the loading is finished, right-click on the example app root and select Restore NuGet Packages. After this is done, select Build and Clean All from Visual Studio menu options. At this point, you can connect your mobile phone and run the application on it directly. Alternatively, you can use an Android emulator. By selecting the Android device and pressing the Run button, you can start the Bloomreach MAUI SDK Android application on the emulator. To set up the iOS example application, open your terminal and navigate to the MAUI SDK folder. Change the directory to the Bloomreach SDK MAUI iOS folder. Then open the Xcode workspace file. Here, run the command pod install. Once the installation is ready, change the directory to the folder and run the build framework shell script file. Once you have done this, open the example app file in the Bloomreach MAUI SDK folder in Visual Studio. Then click on the root of the example app and select Restore NuGet Packages from the options. Once this is running, go to the options at the top of your screen and select Build and Clean All. Do not forget to do this whenever you want to run the application. Then choose an iOS device and press the Run button to start the example application on the iOS simulator. Now you have examples of both Android and iOS applications. Let's now test if the applications run correctly. Once you start the application, you will see input fields for the project token, authorization token, advanced authorization token, and the base URL. You can leave the advanced authorization input field blank during testing. Once you have filled out all the input fields with the correct information, click Configure, and the example application will open up on its main page. Then, on the application's main page, see several options for tracking things such as custom events and push notifications. Let's start by identifying the customer in our platform with an example test email and a name property. Once we have done this, we can find the user tracked in Bloomreach by navigating to the Customers tab and searching for the test profile. That's it. Now you know how to set up the Expo NIA MAUI SDK and Android and iOS example apps. For further information, read the MAUI Expo NIA SDK GitHub documentation.